This is a hotel review of my stay at My Dream Hotel in Istanbul Sultanahmet area. If you're thinking of staying here, this full hotel and room walkthrough is definitely for you. Hello and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently I stayed at My Dream Hotel in Istanbul. I chose this hotel for its location. It was within walking distance to major sites in the Sultanahmet area, which included the Blue Mosque, Hagia, Sophia and Basilica Sistine. When we arrived at the hotel, a staff member greeted us and helped us with our luggage. We were then quickly checked into our room. First impressions of the hotel room were really good. There was a large bed in the centre opposite a TV, and it felt pretty spacious. We loved the floor-to-ceiling windows which opened up and let in plenty of light. The bathroom was a little tight but really nice and pretty functional. I loved all the little extras this room had, such as the tea and coffee station. There was additional toiletries in the bathroom, a hairdryer, a safe, room service, free Wi-Fi, and a few more things. Now it's time to check out breakfast, which was included in our stay. The breakfast room is pretty large, so there was no issue finding a seat. I was really impressed with the wide selection they had. And most mornings I went back for seconds. From the breakfast room, we could enjoy a stunning view of Istanbul. We spent 4 nights at this hotel and loved every minute of it. The staff, the location, and the hotel itself were excellent. We really hope you enjoyed hearing about our stay at My Dream Hotel. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we really look forward to seeing you in our next video.